Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you the best workaround for how to send pictures in TikTok messages. You might have probably noticed that in most of the chats, there is no button to send photos directly. So in this video, I'll show you how to get around that using a private post. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, the problem is that for many users, the option to send images in DMs simply doesn't exist. And the solution is to post the photo on your own account, but as a private video that can only be seen by the friend you decide. So you can also share that private post directly to a friend as well. So now what you do is first go to your main screen and simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom, just like you do for any normal videos. Then simply give the necessary permissions, and after that, simply choose the photo that you want to send. So just simply click on the Photo tab at the very bottom right corner. Then give the necessary permissions. Now, once you have clicked on that photo option, you should automatically be inside your gallery. So over here, select the photo that you want to send, and then just simply click on Next at the very bottom right. Now just simply wait for a few seconds, and you should be able to see this editing page over here. So you can completely ignore this section where you can add effects or music, and you can directly click on Next, but if you want to add something, you can always do that. It's totally up to you. Now, over here on this page, this is the most important step for making sure no one else sees your photo on your profile. So find the option on this page that says, who can watch this video, or who can watch this post. Currently, it says everyone can view this post. Click on this menu, and over here, you will find this list. Now, you have to choose only me or only you to be exact. And once you've chosen that, just simply click on the post option at the very bottom right corner. Now, wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, the photo is now uploaded. Now, the private post is on your account, so now just simply follow the final steps to share it with your friends. And here is what you have to do. First, just simply go to your profile page. So at the very bottom, you will find your profile icon. Click on that, and this is where you will find your private video or image that you have posted. So just simply wait for a few seconds and refresh it if you're unable to see it. And then just simply go to the private tab or the tab that has the lock icon. You can directly scroll to it or directly click on the lock icon. Now over here, simply open the image or the video. Then simply tap on the three dots to open the share option, and you should be able to see the share option over here. Now just choose the friend that you want to send this file to, and then just simply click on the send option. And after that, the file will be sent, as you can see right over here. And now if you just simply go back and go to your inbox, and then just simply go to your friend's chat, you should be able to see that the message has been sent, which you can directly click and play as well if you want to. Now over here, if you go back to the profile, you'll also see the video is still private, so that's it. Your friend will receive your private post as a message in their inbox. It's currently the most reliable way to send pictures on TikTok without the official button. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.